Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. I've got my morning espresso. Let's get into some updates with XRP because I've seen some price predictions which are insane. Let's get into the market today and also XYO, which has gone to the moon. Stick around. You don't want to miss this. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Thank you to every single one of you out here who have subscribed to the channel. It's incredible. I love talking with all of you in the comments and the community tab up here about projects, investing in general, just all kinds of stuff to build financial freedom. So if you're new, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Turn on that little bell notification as well because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, as you can see right here. And if everyone could smash that like button, it would really help the algorithm and I would really appreciate it. And it doesn't cost you anything. It is free. So thank you very much. Little disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. It's very, very, very important. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt, especially investing in cryptos. It can be extremely risky and volatile. Please jump online. It's in the palm of your hand. Do your own research. Use websites, Masari.io, Luna Crush, Medium, Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, YouTube, like you're doing now. Google everything, get confident. Then once you're confident, make a decision to invest from there, all right? And me personally, I only invest what I can afford to lose because I don't like to lose sleep overnight. And that is very important to me. So be very careful out there and do your own research. Don't take what I say as financial advice. All right, now that the formalities are out of the way, let's get into today's market because I tell you there's some interesting stuff happening here and it's fascinating. I've got updates with XRP. I've seen XYO go to the moon. Just quickly, I'm going to show you CoinSpot here. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. It is easy. If you're new to cryptos in Australia, please use the referral link below. You and I can get $10 in Bitcoin, so who doesn't want $10 in Bitcoin? This stuff is only going to go through the moon, so feel free to use that. If not, it's all good. I'll leave that up to you. Bitcoin today is down 2.98%, which is still a great opportunity. It's $52,000, which is incredible. Ethereum, this is in Australian dollars, by the way, people, not US dollars, is in Australian dollars. I'll get into TradingView, which does show the US dollar, which is interesting. So we'll get into that in a second. Ethereum is down 4% to $3,400. BNB is down 2.92%, $448. Cardano is up 3.65%, which is good, $1.90. This is a great buying opportunity still. XRP, my favorite crypto, it is down 4% today to 99 cents. This did drop down to 70 cents. And I tell you, I've seen some price predictions today, and I'll get into this in a moment, which will mind blown. It's unreal. It just requires a lot of patience and time to hold the cryptos. And this is all cryptos, by the way. This stuff is not going to make you multi-millionaire overnight. This is long-term, people. Obviously, let's just keep going down quickly. We'll have a look at XLM. These are my favorites, by the way. 38 cents. We've got here Theta, $8.21 there. So that's a great buying opportunity. And VeChain, my favorite project as well. This is going to change the way we all buy and purchase products. It's going to be insane. 11 cents today, down 2.11% here. And obviously, if you keep scrolling down, Shiba Inu is down as well. Where are we, Shiba? It is down 3.27%. If you keep going down, we've got Hedera. It's up 2.39% to 29 cents. Great project. BTT I'm holding as well, up 4.46% there. So it's a great buy. Where else have we got here? XDC. I'm trying to find this here. I'm holding Hollow as well. XDC, another project that I'm bullish on, is at 10 cents, guys. So this is incredible. So that's pretty much my favorite cryptos anyway. The market's still on a positive, which is good. It's up. It's a little bit down today, but that happens as well with cryptos. It goes up and down all the time. This is why you got to have some confidence here. But some interesting stuff with XRP, guys. Check this out, man. Like, I honestly don't know what to make of this. So, guys, I'm going to get into an update that I found on XRP, which is insane. This is on Twitter. This is from XRP Lion 1. So thank you very much for this. This is just fascinating stuff here. It's got a whole timeline here with regards to XRP and Ripple, and the timeline from obviously 2012 going to 2025. I don't know if this stuff is true, but man, if it does come true, whew, this is going to be life-changing for a lot of people. So it's got some updates here. So this is just an interesting one to read. Fed working on foreign central banks set out to utilize XRP as a new world reserve currency to tokenize global financial markets as agreed upon replacement for fiat currency and fractional banking system. The initial launch date to acquire all remaining XRP was the 1st of the 1st, 2021. The Fed realized the start date was delayed. The SEC filed a lawsuit to provide the overnight option. So check this out, 8 to 12 month delay to acquire as much Retail XRP that had been bought through retail exchanges. Estimate is retail holders to 1 to 2% of all outstanding Retail XRP. At the buyout price net of taxes, $4,025, the Fed's cost is a mere 1.85 trillion to 3.7 trillion. The taxes they could collect range from 897 billion to 1.79 trillion. Bottom line, everyone wins, and now the retail holders will put that money into the respective country's economy in various ways. The Fed at 99 to 98% holding will receive the given value of $17,500 on launch date as the what do we got here? Let me just, sorry, I've just missed out here. So as $17,500 is the valuation required to adequately cover 1.7 quadrillion of global market debts. This is covered in the details. So this is incredible here. And just keep scrolling just here for a second. So check this out. XRP given the value of $17,500 as an initial base value to cover 1.75 quadrillion in global financial market debt. The Fed, as the designated custodian, meets regularly with the Board of International Governors on annual valuation increases of up to $2,500 per coin. That is just insane, guys. This is incredible stuff here. This came out on here on the 2nd of August, which is yesterday. Which, what are we today? The 4th here in Australia. Unbelievable. So look at this. The Fed required to hold all purchased XRP, escrowed and retail coins for 2 years before it can be launched as a world bridge to currency in 2024. This is in 2024, guys. Second or third quarter of 2024, $17,500. Can you hold on for that long? Who knows? I am definitely going to be holding that for sure. That is insane. I honestly can't say. As I said, this is going to settle sometime soon in the future, and I'm holding for the long term, not the short term, people. So $17,500, would that be life changing for you? Leave it in the comments below what you think. Who knows? I don't know if this is true or not. We all don't know where this is going to go, but all I can say is it's getting so much media attention out there, and obviously there's a lot of big players involved in XRP, Ripple, and the technology that Ripple's providing for banks and institutions around the world. Yes, you've got things like Swift Go and a couple of other projects that are releasing similar type of technologies to send money across the world instantly, but still Ripple's at the forefront of this, guys. So this is just a news article. So US lawyer on the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple over sale of XRP. This is war. So just as a little article here that I've seen a day ago, late last week, American attorney James Filan, who has been following the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple, explained to XRP holders and the other interested parties why they should not be expecting some kind of settlement anytime soon. Well, if it does not settle, I'm still holding long term anyway, so I'm not worried. So Filan is the founder of blah, blah, blah. He represents individual corporate clients in federal white-collar matters, securities, litigations, corporate and government investigations, complex civil and criminal tax controversies, and complex civil litigation in both federal and states courts. So obviously filed against an action against Ripple Labs. We know this. Obviously for this apparent unregistered security. Well, it's not a security because you have no voting rights, etc. So I don't see it being that. So this is just explaining the whole scenario again. And again, as I keep saying, I'm watching the news every day to see if there's any updates with this case. So I'm keeping an eye on Jeremy Hogan's page as well on Twitter just to see what's going on there, if there's any updates. But guys, honestly, if this happens in 2024, I'll be a very happy man. I'm sure a lot of people out there will be very wealthy. So keep an eye on this. Just bear that in mind that anything's possible. Yes, it's going to require huge market cap, but 2024, guys, is a long time away, and obviously prices always increase over time. So let's get into the trading view today, or coin market cap, because I want to show you something as well with XYO today, which is ridiculous. I was on Reddit this morning and I saw a post on XYO and I couldn't believe it. Look at this. In the last hour, it is up 2.68% to 1 cent or a penny. I bought this under a penny and I had continued to add to my position as well. But look at this in the last 24 hours. It is up 45%. Look at that green. Ridiculous. Insane. XYO is a hidden gem, people. I said it before in my other videos. I have been adding to my position. They've got some interesting stuff here with regards to track and trace and packages and all kinds of stuff to do with this blockchain technology, where you can instantly find your item or something like that, which is logistics, very similar to VeChain. Hidden gem, not talked a lot about out there in the community at all, which is fascinating. It's got a market cap of 0.1 billion, circulating supply is 12.8 billion, total supply is 13.9 billion, guys. So cryptocurrency that works on the Ethereum platform, guys. XY is currently supply, blah blah blah. Well, I've read all that, and just a really interesting cryptocurrency, guys. Check it out, have a look, Google it. I've put numerous videos on XYO that this is an interesting project and a hidden gem, guys. Honestly, it's ridiculous. So check it out. I just couldn't believe this 45% return today, which is unbelievable, guys. Really, really cool. So you can see this of all time. Let's just have a look here. 83% return of all time. So that's fascinating stuff. Anyway, let's have a look at TradingView today, because I just want to get into that to see what XRP is doing, and XYO. Obviously, Bitcoin. This is US dollars, people. 38,000. It's below the 40,000. Look at this, and this is the 1 day here. So you can see it's just a few red candles here. Not too concerned about it. I am going to add more Bitcoin into my portfolio for sure, just because it's been around for so long. It's been through the wars, guys. It's been up and down and all over the place. I'm not worried about Bitcoin ever going away for sure. It's going to be here for a long time. So let's have a look here. We've got XRP AUD is sitting at 96 cents. And you can see here, it did pick up a little bit here earlier last month. So I'm not too worried about that, which is great to see finally, because it has been consolidating for a few months now. Obviously, we're pending a decision from this case. So we're sitting at today 96 cents AUD, which is good. So $17,500. Imagine that, guys. That would be just, whew. Think about that for a moment. It can happen. And a lot of you will say, oh, you're crazy, you're talking this, blah, I'll stop speaking rubbish. Never say never, guys, in cryptocurrencies, especially with XRP. There's too many big players involved with this, guys, honestly. Let's just have a look at XYO quickly while I'm here, because this is crazy stuff, because I want to show you this. Look at that. Look at this green candle here, guys. Ridiculous. This is Ethereum, by the way. So that green candle is a positive. To see this up on the day, obviously that you can't see XYO and USD on here, which is annoying. Anyway, so XYO is available on KuCoin for those who want to know. Register an account on that, and you can store your XYO in Trust Wallet. So that's one for you if you want to purchase XYO. Jump on KuCoin and have a look, all right? So it's pretty fascinating stuff, guys. I'm going to go back to CoinMarketCap, have a look at the rest of my portfolio today, and definitely going to be adding more XRP to my position for sure. XYO, definitely 100% I'll be adding more into that. Obviously VET, XLM, Cardano, ADA, Hedera, HBAR, definitely ones that I'm going to be adding in, as well as Theta, which is a good one as well to hold long term. So let's have a look here. XRP is up 7% today. XDC is down 12.67%. VeChain is down 1.46%. Tron is up 2.97% here. Theta Fuel down 16%. Theta is down 4%. Telcoin 21% it is down. Stellar is up 1%. Seacoin, another great project just to hold long term, 16.7%. HOT is down 5.68%. Hedera is up 5.08%. Doge is down 7.45%. Won't be adding any more Doge. I'm just going to hold what I've got there. Digibyte is up 8.54%. Cardano is up 3.56%, which is awesome. BTT 1.18%. And ANKR is up 8.99%, guys, so it's incredible. But again, I just couldn't believe XYO today, and obviously seeing that news article from XRP. Let me know in the comments what you think this price will be. Can you hold to 2024? $17,500. We'll see what happens, guys. This is incredible. All right, so stay safe out there. Let me know in the comments. We'll talk about it. And please don't respond to any of the bots in the comments. It's not me, and they are stealing my display image there. All right, so be safe, stay safe. Peace. Let's talk about it in the comments. All right, cheers. Bye.